Welcome back to Online Classes Made Classic video series prepared by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Tips to make online classes effective is discussed at this video series. Options available at freely available medium for online classes are mainly discussed. The points discussed here are only suggestive. My dear learned colleagues can browse and they can have their own innovations and experimentation in their teaching line. Now normally typing mathematics equation in Google Form, normally Google Form is used for quiz and for MCQ and getting the descriptive from the children also, but sometimes it is very difficult for us to type mathematics equation. There are some extensions available, there are other tips also, and you may be using it. I wish to introduce a new one which has come. We can type mathematics equation in the Google Form using the extension Hypatia Extension Center. The image created will be inserted in the Google Form. You might have used the Google Form for a quiz with the multiple choice questions and you can insert it there. There are so many ways of doing it. Let us try to see one after the other. Normally whenever you are having the questions to be inserted, already I have discussed it in one of the video. You can take a screenshot and you can paste it. So many ways of doing it, but most of us are very quick in typing using the equation editor available in MS Word and MS PowerPoint. But I have typed it using a PowerPoint. Now what you can do is you can go to this file and you can go for this save as, and wherever you want, for example in the desktop, I can select it and I can convert it into an JPG image. The JPG image. Normally all of you can ask me, sir, I am having a lot of JPG image, I am having 10 slides. Then how to convert all the slide individually? Now very simple. Suppose this is the question number 1, then I will take it as question number 1, Q1. Then I will click this save. Immediately it will ask whether you want to save only all the slide or just this one. For example, the first slide can be saved as a JPG image in Q1, JPG image Q2 for the second one. Like that, automatically all the slides can be saved as individual JPG image. It is one way of doing it. Now already I have discussed it. Now in the next one, we are going to see max equation using Hypatia Create Center. How to do it? You open your form, untitled form. You know how to convert it into quiz, and you know that it will be quiz and we will make it as a quiz, and there are so many options are there. And always remember this: respond can see missed question, correct answer, and to be removed so that the children cannot see the correct answer and pass on to the his colleagues, so that everybody knows the answer. Therefore this to be removed. I think this already we have discussed it. I am telling you once more. And I think you can also have that idea that in the general limit to one response also you can click, so that respondent cannot edit after submit. These are all thing which you have to be very careful. Okay, anyway, I'm just recollecting what already you are doing it. Okay, anyway, go for this 3 dots. In that, go to these add-ons. Okay, I'm going to do the add-on that Hypatia Create Center for this form. Once if you have done it in your computer or laptop, it will be permanent. Therefore go to these add-ons. So many add-ons are there. Be careful with the add-ons. Sometimes add-ons may hang your computer or it may slow down your computer. Be careful with that. Now in that you can type here Hypatia, or Hypatia Center is already there. Now I'm just clicking it. It will ask you to install. Just install it. It will not take much time, and it will ask you through what account you want to do it, because the account in which you are logging and doing it, this will be available only in the drive of that particular account. Okay, I'm just allowing it, and it is being installed now. Therefore I'm clicking done and I am closing it. Okay, after you have installed your Hypatia Create, remember you have to refresh this page. Don't forget to refresh this page. If you refresh this page only, this Hypatia will come in add-on. Hypatia Create, it is opening now. Now 4 options are there. Insert, mini editor. If you click the mini editor, it will come only on the right side of your screen, and if you click this de-enable all notification and help center, it is having a tutorial how to use this Hypatia. Please play around. I will click this insert and it will open in the middle. If you take the mini, it will open on the right side. Okay, and now it is telling you how you have to create it. Okay, I am closing it. Okay, let me very quickly do it. Now you see here x square is there, sine is there, pi is there, then vectors are there. Then here you are having matrices, and here you are having matrices, and you can use tools or remove it, and whatever the tools which you have used recently, it will come at the bottom. Okay, let me go for this immediately, this integral. Then let me go for 0, and then here I will type pi, and pi means all will be there. Then all alpha, beta, gamma, everything will be there. Then I will go for sine square x. For sine, then go to this x square, then it will be square now. And all of you know that it is having a latex also is having the same idea. Then x into dx. Okay, after this you cannot copy it, it will get copied automatically. Further, what you have to do? Click this create link, generate link to max image. Therefore create the link. When you create the link and the link successfully copied, use insert image. Okay, now it is giving you that idea. For click it and then come back to this question. Now in that, go to this image. Already you know that how to do it. This any image can be pasted over here. Go to this image. In that, you know how to do the images from upload, Google Drive, everything. Here go to this URL. Now it is already copied, therefore you have to simply control V, then it will insert the image. Now the image is inserted. Now you know the options also. In the options also you can do the same thing. Suppose you have pi by 2 and all, everything to be done in that Hypatia create, and then come back and then going on pasting it. For I told you, whichever is convenient to you, you do it. Okay. Now I think this can be continuously done, and you have to simply save it. And this Hypatia create is having using the latex idea only. But remember, you have to first type it, you have to create a link, come back to that form, and then control V. Automatically it will get copied there. So continuously can go on making questions. You see, I will show you the preview. In the preview it will be like this. First evaluate will be on the top, and then at the bottom you will have the question, and then continued by the options. Thank you, friends.